Nice K&N filter. Most likely gonna get an aftermarket. And we're gonna remove this fender.
What is up, Gun Squad? We are back out here another day. We're just starting to take everything apart here. Got that fender off. As you can see, when you take off this fender, it pretty much just exposes everything here. So that's the cool thing about TJs. Got the headlights out, and next we're going to remove the grill and then the radiator also. Got the grill off, the motor is fully exposed now, so that makes it look a lot easier to work with from right here. All right, so we're gonna start with removing all this interior stuff like the seats, the carpet, and that center console. Fold the seat in. Just fold it in.
Might be on something.
Might be ostrich leather right there.
What? Oh shit. Wire.
Wire.
All right. So we got the seats out. Next, we're gonna take out the center console. This does have the subwoofer in it. I think all Rubicons are equipped with that.
That's one tough clip right there, boys.
Just break it.
Just break it.
Just break it, zip tie it later. All right, so the next thing we need here is this steering box here, which we're not sure which steering box we're gonna go with. We may go with the aftermarket, maybe hydro assist. But it did get that arm torn out of it, so we're gonna have to figure something out. So we're PB blasting as much stuff as we need, so later on when we're gonna be unbolting this stuff, it comes off with ease. We PB blasted this whole steering box because we're getting a new one. These brake lines, control arms. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap for today. Got all that stuff taken apart, got all the interior taken apart, got a bunch of stuff PB blasted. So we're gonna let that PB blaster soak in, and we're gonna do a little bit more research on what we have to unplug and the steps you gotta take. We got the forklift ready. We're gonna throw a beam on there. We got a beam that just slips on them forks, and we're gonna lift the tub up. So what is up, Goon Squad? I just got off of work here, so we're back out here. We're not gonna do any work for now, but tomorrow it should be sunny and warm, so we'll be back out here. So I forgot to mention, the guy who loaded up our Jeep, he actually said that it was his son that wrecked the Jeep, so that was his son's Jeep. So he gave me his phone number, so I've been texting him, and he actually gave me some good information about the Jeep. He said that he built the axle gear ratio, so it does have 488 gears in it, so that's a plus. We can run some 35s on it. He upgraded the axle shafts, which are 10 factory brand, and he also put new bearings in it. He said he did take real good care of it, change the fluids regularly, so that's a plus. I mean, it's always cool to know that. He also sent me a couple pictures of what the Jeep looked like before. It looked pretty dang clean, so let me show you that right now. Also guys, I'm gonna be dropping some merch. If you like them hats, check out the website. Like the shirts, I'm still gonna do a little bit of redesigning on them. This was just a test run. I'm gonna kind of increase the quality on it, make this a little bit smaller, and just stay tuned guys. We got a lot more coming. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned because we got a lot coming for this build. It's gonna be awesome. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave that down below. We could always use some advice, so feel free to leave that down below, and peace.